Here's one simple and fun way to make extra bucks in your spare time. It costs nothing to start and it's accessible to everyone. With the internet, of course, and a laptop. But first, if you don't know me, my name is Sanela and I help ordinary, regular people to make bucks online. And if you're that people, then follow me. And I have plenty more where that came from. You'll be creating notebooks and journals and sell it on Amazon. First you want to go to canva.com and create a free account. You will get 30 days free trial for pro version, but you don't really need it. You will hit here, create a design and start designing. First, design your cover. Then create some blank pages. And now go to Amazon KDP and create also free account. When you're in, go ahead and create a book. These are all mine creations. And from here you can choose everything. If it's going to be paper, hardwork, or ebook. You will enter your book details like book titles, authors, book description, keywords, categories. Upload your cover and pages. Set pricing because you decide how much you will charge. And that's it. Just keep going. And let me know if you need more in-depth explanation and I will create another video. And let me know if that was helpful.